Hi, my name is Risa Graff, and I'm an educational therapist.
My name is David Gottlieb, and I'm a clinical psychologist.
David and I, together with Dr. Thomas Schoaf, who's a psychiatrist, have written a book called Why is My Child's ADHD Not Better Yet? For over 25 years, David and I have been working with children and adults who have ADHD. But we've been noticing in the last few years that some of the children that we're seeing were not getting better with the typical medications and treatments that had seemed to work earlier.
In fact, studies have shown that 70% of children with ADHD have an additional problem. The problems can range from depression, bipolar disorder, anxiety disorder, autism, tic disorders, conduct disorders, oppositional defiant disorder. In our book, Why is My Child's ADHD Not Better Yet?, we cover each of these diagnoses in turn and how it interacts with ADHD, what some of the treatment options are, both medications and psychotherapy, and best of all, and most important of all, we give a lot of strategies for parents and teachers to use with these children.
I find that using simple games is a great way to teach children to pause and be self-reflective. I choose games that look nothing like schoolwork. Things like checkers, chess, Chinese checkers, any game you can find where there's a natural consequence from moving your piece or moving your card too quickly. What I'll do first is I will demonstrate what happens when I make an impulsive move. Maybe I'll be playing checkers and I'll move too quickly and then exclaim over what a silly move that was. A few minutes later, I'll actually tell the child and show them with my hands that I'm going to pause. I lift my hands above the board to show that I'm not going to do a physical activity, but I'm going to stop and think before I do it. There are many strategies in our book, and whether your child has a dual diagnosis or is just ADHD, we think that these strategies will make you as a parent feel more empowered for helping your child and for knowing when to ask questions or ask for extra help.
The book is divided into sections. We cover each diagnosis or each problem that can occur with ADHD. We tell you what to look for, we tell you how to work with your child at home, and we give suggestions for teachers as well. The book is available online, and it's also available in your local bookstore.